We are at the ONVIF booth live from ISC West. I'm joined by Leo. Leo, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So today we've been seeing a lot of manufacturers, and one of the biggest sales points we hear is that we integrate with ONVIF. And I want our viewers to understand what it means ONVIF as a whole.
Well, first of all, it's great to hear that the manufacturers see the value in what we do. So, in essence, ONVIF is a standardization organization that works for interoperability and advanced communication between different products in the security industry. So we standardize interfaces between different products in the surveillance network. It's been founded 2008 by companies like Axis, Bosch and Sony, and today it consists of roughly 470 members. It's a global organization that is open for all type of companies and organizations. We have as a mission to provide interoperability and work for the interoperability. We do it through specification that we develop for communication, and also we package those specifications in something that we call profiles. You have some of the profiles listed here, and profiles in essence is a way for us to bring the specification and standard to the market. Every profile goes with a subset of specification that need to be supported by the manufacturers, but also comes with the test tools that our members can use in order to certify their products against the specifications. Once it's done, the member can upload their declaration of conformancy to our database. The database is open for all visitors at our website. You can see all the products that support functionality. Really glad to hear that you see that result on show floor. Today we have over 32,000 conformant products in our database, and actually the growth of conformant products is exponential. That actually manifests that what we do is really matter for the industry, and I think it's great to see very active members and the members who really work on the certification of the products.
Yeah, it seems like ONVIF acts as the bridge between manufacturers. So you're the one that brings third-party integration into different manufacturers and help them work together.
That's exactly what we do. So we help our end customers to be vendor agnostic. So we work for our end customers to avoid vendor lock-in. So you can make sure that your system, if it's built on open standards and open protocols, you can be sure that it's future-proof of your platform, because you're not locked to the specific vendor. And if your needs changes over time, you can always pick the products that are available on the market from other vendors if needed. So it provides the flexibility and the peace of mind for the big investments that you do for security in the security system. But also for the integrators, it's a fantastic value, because it's provide the broader library of the products to pick from. Right, 31,000 products, you pretty much can find whatever you need there.
Yeah, it's a great catalog to have under your belt. And now if we go maybe a little bit more specific, let's say for new manufacturers out there, and they would like to have their product to be ONVIF certified, if I may say, what would be the process for this?
So the process would be to become a member, first of all. So we have a different membership levels. If you just want to utilize our specifications, that's one of the lowest levels that you can join on, and you will have access to the test tools, you will have access to the specifications, you will have access to the community to discuss your problems and ideas with, when you have the specifications, you implement those in your product. When you're done, you try to certify, and then once you succeed, you can have the ONVIF-conformant product label on your product catalog, and that's the way to go. Then, if you want to be more engaged with the organization, if you thrive towards doing more of standardization work, if you want to influence the organization, that's a different type of engagement. It's membership of a slightly higher level. Then you can work with our working group, work on the new standards, attend face-to-face meetings, engage with your peers from different companies, and work for the greater good of the security industry.
Yeah, I believe having the ONVIF seal in your company is kind of the sign of approval by all your other colleagues. And now, for people that cannot attend ISC West, what would you like to tell them, and maybe what are you showcasing into your booth this year?
So I think for us, being here is very important to continue educate market about what we do and why it's important, and also how we can help both integrators and end customers to secure their investments and make sure that the system that they're investing money in is future-proof and flexible enough to fulfill their needs for growing business. So, but also it's very important for us to meet with our members here and listen to their needs and listen and understand where the next step in standardization should be.
Well, Leo, again, thank you for your time. I knew you're a busy man, but I really appreciate you taking the time to educate everyone out there on why ONVIF is so important in our industry.
Thank you very much, and thank you for your time.